Hello everyone! As you know, many meme token traders occasionally try to spot patterns in trends to identify early on which new trend might become iconic in the meme market and see its tokens skyrocket. For example, during the big Doge hype, traders realized that the next trend would likely be connected not only to dogs, but also to the cult figure of Elon Musk. So, they started investing in memes with Elon, which eventually showed great growth. Using the same principle, we can search for other patterns to understand right away which memes the next trend might shift into. From more recent examples, I can take the Pepe token and the story around the frog. Right now, Pepe is at very high levels, so making quick profits is difficult. However, we can look for spin-offs of this trend and try to get returns from them. A good option I found is a relatively new project called Cake. Its team decided not to focus on the frog itself, but on an entire base of patterns that trace back to Egypt. In fact, the team discovered an ancient Egyptian god with a frog head. His name is Kek, and in many ways he resembles the original Pepe meme, from the meme-worthy name to the frog symbolism. Now, to make this character iconic, the project team started developing a whole layer of theories and connections that form an interesting picture tied to Pepe's origins. If you're curious, you can explore all these theories yourself. The team has shared them on their website. Besides the frog story, the project also highlights interesting facts related to conspiracy theories around Trump and Elon Musk. Overall, with these stories, the team shows how internet culture around the meme has evolved and continues searching for ways Pepe can manifest itself now and in the future. On the website, you can also check out the Kek token itself. It is the main meme in the project and the central element of this ecosystem of theories. Looking at this token from a technical perspective, we can see a fairly strong community already formed around it, pushing the market cap up to $5 million. That's not a very large figure, and it's likely the token has much higher potential if more frog meme fans take notice of Kek. This is why you might also consider adding some tokens to your portfolio to prepare for a potential influx of new investors who could see this meme as the next big trend. Buying this token is quite simple. You'll need a MetaMask wallet with some Ethereum. With that wallet, just go to Uniswap, search for the Kek trading pair, and make the swap. To make it easier, the team has provided the token's smart contract on their website. Copy it and paste it into Uniswap's search to make sure you're buying the real Kek token. Another advantage worth noting is that the team doesn't charge any fees. This means when buying or selling Kek, you'll only pay the network fee with nothing going to the team. To track the token's performance more closely, you can always visit the official Kek website. There, the team has added a panel where you can see how the token has performed over the past day, the last hour, and the last 5 minutes. Based on current data, the token has shown decent growth, which indicates clear community interest. And, as I mentioned earlier, since Kek's market cap is still small, new investor involvement could push its price even higher. If you want to support the project yourself, I recommend joining Kek's social media. For example, on Twitter, the team often posts activities for participants and shares their creations. Also, on the project's website, there's a meme generator app. You can create your own Kek meme and submit it to the team. If they like it, they'll publish it on the project's Twitter. To sum up, Kek's team has built their meme around the idea of developing internet culture as a whole. They will likely continue exploring facts and patterns about frog memes and promoting them within the crypto community. So if you want to take part in the project's development and keep up with its progress, make sure to visit the website and explore it yourself. All the Kek links are in the description below this video. Thanks for watching until the end! Remember, everything I share is not financial advice, just my take on interesting ideas and projects. Always do your own research and make decisions independently. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future breakdowns. And in the comments, let me know what you think. Can Kek really become the next big meme token? See you in the next video.